Welcome. If you wanna change device theme on your OPPO A31, let's tap on the theme store. Tap on the gray. And for example, we can go for which one? Maybe for the free, because I don't want to spend money on it. So let me just find free. Let's type here free. Search. Okay. And here we have the free, so maybe this one. Tap on the download. Tap on the apply. And this is it. Easy way to change theme on your OPPO A31. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.